While the world was busy comparing battery range and charging speeds from Tesla, BYD, and other EV giants, Mercedes made a quiet move behind the scenes. No flashy launch, no dramatic announcement, yet what they confirmed has unsettled the entire auto industry. Mercedes has officially confirmed that the Yasa Flux motor is real, not a rumor, not a concept. And this isn't just another electric motor update. Many experts believe this could be a turning point, one that changes how electric cars are built, priced, and experienced. Think about this for a moment. A motor that is smaller, lighter, yet delivers more power than traditional electric motors. What does that mean for performance, range, and design? This single question is now being discussed across the industry. What makes this more serious is that the Yasa Flux motor works in a completely different way. Mercedes doesn't see it as an upgrade, but as a foundation for the future. And the biggest surprise is that this technology wasn't rushed. Mercedes has been developing it quietly for years, only revealing it now. Is this a direct challenge to Tesla? Can one motor really change performance, efficiency, and cost at the same time? Stay till the end, because the real impact becomes clear later. And before we continue, subscribe to the channel if you want clear, no-hype breakdowns of the biggest EV shifts. So what exactly is Yasa? Most people think Yasa is just another electric motor company. In reality, it represents a completely different mindset. Instead of following market trends, Yasa focuses on solving core engineering problems first. Founded in the UK inside a university lab, Yasa wasn't built around sales targets, but around one question: how can electric motors be fundamentally better? While others were trying to make motors slightly lighter or slightly faster, Yasa questioned the design itself. Traditional electric motors are long and cylindrical, heavy, space-consuming. Yasa took a different approach by developing a flat, disc-shaped motor known as a flux motor. That single design change alters everything. A flat motor uses less space, weighs less, and delivers more power within the same footprint. Yasa focused entirely on power-to-weight ratio. Simply put, a lighter motor producing the same power is better in every possible way. Less weight improves range, handling, acceleration, and efficiency. That's why Yasa never chased cheap mass production. Their motors first appeared in supercars and elite projects where every kilogram and every millisecond matters. Another defining trait of Yasa is silence. No marketing noise, no constant announcements, just years of testing before releasing anything. When a company like Mercedes partners with Yasa, the industry knows it's not an experiment. It's a long-term strategy. Now let's simplify what a flux motor really is. Most EV motors today are long, cylindrical units that dictate how a car is designed. Motor placement affects battery layout, floor height, and cabin space. A flux motor is flat and wide, allowing engineers far more flexibility. It can sit closer to the wheels, under the floor, or near the drivetrain. Despite its smaller size, it produces more power and converts electricity more efficiently. Less energy is wasted as heat, which reduces strain on the battery. That directly improves range and reliability. A lighter motor also means a lighter vehicle. That improves braking, reduces tire wear, and enhances driving confidence. In reality, the flux motor doesn't just improve performance, it improves the entire vehicle. So why isn't everyone using it? Because it's extremely difficult to manufacture. It requires precision engineering and advanced production methods. Most companies stick with older designs because they're easier and cheaper. Yasa didn't stop at theory. They made the flux motor production ready, and that's what makes this moment important. Now let's talk about why small size and big power matter. The Yasa Flux motor breaks the old belief that bigger means stronger. Its compact design allows lower floors, more cabin space, and sleeker vehicle proportions. Less weight directly improves range, handling, and braking. The way it delivers power is equally important. Instead of wasting energy, it uses electricity more directly. Acceleration feels instant, smooth, and controlled. Even at high speeds, power delivery remains refined, reducing driver fatigue. Efficiency also protects the battery. A motor that runs cooler and puts less stress on the battery helps extend battery life. This improves both range today and ownership costs in the long run. And this leads directly to Mercedes' real strategy. Mercedes has always believed in control. Control over technology, quality, and direction. In the petrol era, this came from engines and gearboxes. In the EV era, it comes from motors and software. Relying on external suppliers creates dependency and risk. Mercedes wants full control over its core technology, not just for today, but for the next decade. For them, luxury isn't just screens or leather. It's silence, smoothness, and confidence behind the wheel. This is why Tesla and BYD should be paying attention. Tesla built its image on drivetrain performance and software. BYD dominates batteries, scale, and cost control. But the Flux motor shifts the competition away from just range and price toward driving experience and motor quality. If Mercedes delivers smoother, quieter performance with equal or better efficiency, Tesla's leadership in premium EVs faces pressure. For BYD, better motor efficiency could reduce the advantage of simply using larger batteries. The race is no longer about how many EVs you sell. It's about how good those EVs actually are. So where will this motor appear first? Most signs point to AMG. AMG has always been Mercedes' testing ground. From there, the technology will move into premium EQ models and future EV platforms designed entirely around this motor. Mainstream cars will follow once costs come down, just like every major automotive innovation before. This isn't a distant dream, it's a slow shift already in motion. The EV race is no longer a sprint, it's a marathon, and the companies choosing the right long-term technology will be the ones that survive. If you enjoy deep, honest EV stories without hype, subscribe to the channel. Here we focus on real change, not just headlines.